Alright, just left a nice little coffee spot. Sunday ride. About to head back. It's football season. Alright, so we almost hit 1,300 miles on the Z900. Had the bike for, I don't know, maybe 6 months or so, probably. Done about a dozen modifications to the bike, most of them cosmetic. I guess you can consider the full aftermarket headers and exhaust sort of a performance upgrade, but I didn't do it to try to gain any horsepower. I mean, even the, you know, best tuners out there for these Z900s, you know, they're giving you maybe 10, 20 horsepower. I don't race or take this thing to the track, even though I would like to. So the exhaust upgrade was purely for my enjoyment, you know, my recreational enjoyment. Things are just too tame with the stock exhaust, especially my first bike, my Ninja 650. It was so quiet. I couldn't even really hear the engine doing low speed maneuvers. Oh shoot, turtle. Oh shoot, turtle. Damn, did he survive? Did you survive, little turtle guy? Oh, let's see. Talk about low speed. You are moving too slow. What the hell are you doing, my man? What the He's gonna probably come back like, what the hell? Should have put him over here. Cause that looks like maybe water on this side. There you go, buddy. we back in business. So the Z900 almost got 1,300 miles on this bad boy. Done a significant amount of cosmetic upgrades to get it looking the way I want, sounding the way I want. The next thing I'll probably do is maybe get some new tires for the upcoming new riding season. Maybe some levers, some ASV levers. These silver ones are adjustable, they're okay, but they kind of stand out. Other than that, bike is pretty well sorted. I don't think I need to upgrade the suspension. Well, not yet. It would have been nice to be able to get the SE version of this bike, which is super hard to find. The funny thing is, my local dealer, they had an anniversary edition, which looks better in person than pictures. And it has like you know, the gold forks to make you kind of think they're aftermarket Oldens, but they're not. You know, the anniversary edition is just a paint trim. It's a cool paint trim, but it's so hard to find those Z900 SEs. So, you know, tires, maybe suspension. I don't know if that's actually gonna make that much of a difference for my skill level, but you never know until you try it. So if I get kind of bored and feel like I've done everything I can to this thing, then, you know, maybe we'll do, you know, aftermarket suspension. But for right now, aftermarket levers, tires, and I think that's it. I might, I guess, hook up the I guess there's the stock connection to kind of USB power, so I'll probably hook that up, maybe route that. That's something I can do in the wintertime. But otherwise, this thing is pretty well sorted.